let's talk about the tool or development. I still remember when I first, teach students how to develop. I teach students Python, and we use a really rudimental, embedded, like it's not like IDE. It's just like a notebook. You write things, you save it, and you run it. But just it's a pretty short time. The IDE is become really powerful and then kind of redundant because it's the age of AI. So I want you, if you just start learning, I want you to get a general idea of how you can sort of using AI as your co-pilot to use AI assisted or even using and harness power of AI agents to do the development. But if you just start coding, you just you don't just go full vibe coding yet. You need to learn the fundamental. So I'm going to combine the power of AI, but also I want you, if you look at all the other bootcamps, all the tutorials and all that, I got a reputation of being a really hardcore teacher. I'm really push you to the extreme, and I want you to grasp the knowledge. Okay? I don't want you to just be some like scripts kid, and like let AI do things, and then once AI can't solve, then you or there is no internet, you don't even know what you're writing. Okay, I'm sort of an old school programmer, but I also embracing technology with a little bit of caution. So that's the sort of mentality that I have when I make this. I want you to go have a very good fundamental, but also I want you to have a vibe. Come on, yeah. I consider myself cool, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. So I want to introduce some of the AI embedded tool as well as some traditional tool, but also you can embed that with AI. Doesn't really matter. We are going to start from fundamental before we start vibing.